Hey guys, it's me, Tin. Wala lang, I just wanna say that I'm really an introvert. I grew up in being an introvert. I'm really not going outside the house. I'm just really a school, work, house kind of girl. I'm really struggling with speaking with other people, mostly to those people that I don't know. I'm really struggling with hanging out with someone that whether I know them or not. I am so shy and silent. I am always quiet and have this low voice. I'm really struggling with speaking. It's so hard for me to hang out with other people, whether it's my family, friends, or whatever. I'm so introvert. But as time goes by, I noticed that little by little, I'm slowly changing. Yeah, there's something has changed. Not a lot, not everything, but there's still something that has changed. Wala lang, nakwento ko lang.